In this video, I will be showing you how to create a Venn diagram in Canva. Let's get started. I'll start on the Canva home screen and click on Custom Size. I'm selecting a standard portrait size to open my workspace, but once I'm inside, I'll head up to the Resize menu. I want a landscape layout, so I'll swap the width and height to 11 by 8.5 inches and click Resize this design. Now, I'll open the Elements tab on the left and select a circle from the Shapes collection. I'll scale it up and position it on the canvas. Instead of dragging out new ones, I'll simply duplicate this circle twice so I have three identical shapes to work with. Next, I'll select the circles and add a border. I'm going into the Border Style menu and setting the stroke weight to 3 to give each one a clean outline. Now, let's add some color. I'll change the first circle to yellow, the second to a bright pink, and the third to an orange tone. To create the overlapping effect, I need to adjust the transparency. I'll click on the background and set a temporary color so I can see my progress. Then I'll select each circle individually, click the transparency icon, and slide it down to around 65%. This allows the colors to blend beautifully where they intersect. I'll set the background back to white and then carefully arrange the three circles into a triangular formation. I'll move them until the overlaps are even and the center section is perfectly aligned. Back in the Elements tab, I'll grab a simple line. I'll change the line type to an elbow connector to give it a nice curve. I'll drag the endpoints to point toward my first circle and then add an arrowhead from the line's start menu. I'll duplicate this arrow twice, rotating and positioning the new ones so they point toward the pink and orange circles as well. To finish the look, I'll select each arrow and change its color to match the specific circle it's pointing to. Finally, I'll add a square shape to use as a label. I'll round the corners, change the fill to white, and add a thin border. I'll place this at the end of the first arrow and then duplicate it for the other two sections. And that's it. You now have a fully customizable Venn diagram ready for your next project.